Say that in your voice again.
Nice.
That looks nice. I'm gonna start saying that for YouTube. Oh man. You were supposed to be just the bolt holder, not the new come up YouTube language person. I'm supposed to be the guy for that. Colbert, Speed Recovery Finish Network. All right, it is the day some of you guys may have been waiting for. We got the Del Sol back on the old YouTube. So today I am updating my extremely old suspension. This car, I got brand new Sparco wheels on it, super lightweight wheels, super grippy Federal. There's like high performance street tires. The car would grip really, really good, ripping some hard turns, but I would notice that I would get excessive body roll. And that is kind of the missing element I have in this car now, is the suspension is lacking. I'm sure some of you guys are wondering how the paint's held up. I fully restored this car 3 years ago. Looks good. Could probably use a nice hand wash and a scrub and maybe a quick polish. Little tiny bit of rust came back on the bottoms of the doors. No big deal. I'll show that to you guys in another video how to fix that. Yeah, we're going to get wrenching on this thing today. We're going to start on the hardest part, which is the bottom rear. Bottom rear is typically always going to be your hardest. Bolts to turn on the Hondas, you know, the 92 to 2000 Hondas and pretty much all Hondas. So we're starting with the hardest part first. That way we can know, okay, are we going to proceed with this job? Or are we not going to proceed with this job and get it done, blah, blah, blah. Oh boy. Off to a splendid start. Okay. All right, let's see if this one breaks. Yep. There goes both of them. Oh boy. All right, let's see if we can break this one. All right, we got some action on that one. Yeah. Easy peasy. There goes. Vivor has got the sauce. Frickin' thing is a magician. She's the bowl keeper. There's another.
You're already rolling.
I think I'm gonna have to do this thing with the
No.
you hit the trigger and like pull back. See? It's like alright. That's that. Cut. It's actually going a lot smoother than what I thought it was gonna. Well, the biggest thing is gonna be if we were gonna get hardware at the local store. If not, then
Just trying that, that's all.
Then we're gonna be FUCK EV.
We'll get this in here. There we we go.
Alright.
These holes right here.
Yeah.
So it does line up with those.
Alright.
Which I'm guessing is what those.
Okay.
So we just have to thread it through.
1 hour later.
Here's where we're at. We got the rear strut in. Gotta screw these in. Hopefully they're not cross-threaded. We'll bring this up, line that up, push it up, and get that in. Yeah. Got it.
Bolts in this.
Oop. Almost.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Now we know it fits.
Say that in your voice again.
Nice.
That looks nice. I'm gonna start saying that for YouTube. Oh man.
Yeah, we just got that one.
You were supposed to be just the bolt holder, not the new come up word YouTube language person. I'm supposed to be the guy for that.
This is on here at an angle.
Alright, let this hang down for now. So this is the order, guys. This is the order we found the best. We start from the outside and we move in for the bolts. So we'll tighten this one up. Is that threaded on there?
Yeah, it's on there. We just need to tighten it.
Okay.
Should I hold it up or?
Yeah, it's going in. Alright, we'll leave that semi-loose for now. Swing that back up. We'll get the bolt, run that in. This always helps doing these jobs if you got a couple friends. This is a single man job. You could easily do this by yourself, especially if you got a two-post lift like me. I have all the tools and accessories, but an extra hand or two doesn't hurt. So we go this one, get the center bolt in if you guys are doing a strut brace, which for $20 on eBay, don't see why you wouldn't. And then we put the strut bolt through. Might have to give that a little, let me give that a little tap like I did last time.
Yeah.
Okay. Earthquake universal hammer.
And there we go.
Good. She does a trick every time. You can see how much I've abused this dang thing. Like, I've used it for a hammer every chance I could get. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we got this one in, this one, this one.
Just because
Alright. Just hold that. Little PB blaster for the threads. These are pretty dry and crusty. Alright, that side looks good. Cool. Maybe we need some more power. We'll try this one. What? I definitely think this thing's skipping a beat.
that's not too bad.
It's going in.
Now this one didn't get sprayed, did it?
This one looks pretty healthy. It's going in. Yeah, definitely gonna put that in there. Grab the ratcheting wrench. Oh, Jesus. Maybe, I don't know. It's like really close.
Yeah. Let me get back far enough.
There you guys have it. Coilover install semi-complete for this 1993 Del Sol Honda. I gotta say, already off the bat, I'm very impressed. These did come preset. It looks like it could be maybe lower just a hair in the front. Looks like the tuck in the rear is just a little bit lower than the front, so we'll probably take the front down maybe just a quarter of an inch just to balance everything out. But this is what I would like to call actual real world functional suspension. This car is not slammed, you know, it is not on the ground. This is a really practical lowering kit for those of you guys out there that are looking for performance and also a little bit of looks as well. This does look a lot better than stock. This is their T7, guys. This is ultra premium suspension. It's gonna last. It has adjustable stiffness under the on the strut tower tops, where you can adjust how stiff you want it, how soft you want it. If you're going for a long ride and you want comfort, couple clicks of the strut, soften it up. If you're going out for track day and you're trying to set some records and take some really hard turns and corners, stiffen it up. All you have to do, couple clicks of the button on the top, you know, just a couple turns, and this is a super nice suspension setup. Whether you are a daily driver, Honda guy, or whether you're a car enthusiast like me, or even if you're more hardcore than I am and you're a full-blown racer, Maxspeedingrods suspension is the suspension to have on your car. If you guys have a Honda or another very popular import, even if you're just looking for general performance for any kind of car, if you're looking for a turbocharger, you're looking for suspension, before you check anywhere else, head on over to Maxspeedingrods.com. They have some of the most affordable performance part kits on the market, period. Even if some of you guys out there, you got an older Honda and you're just trying to get it to pass inspection, or you're just looking to, you know, maybe your factory shocks are blown and you're just looking for something to get you by, you know, they got coilovers that are priced at a fraction of these. You don't have to get the most expensive option. They have a variety of options for everyone that everyone can afford, which is what I really like about Maxspeedingrods. But that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Maxspeedingrods.com. Use the code SPEEDOCOAT to get 10% off of your order. I'll have a follow-up video on this car with ride quality, taking some hard turns and stuff like that, showing you guys real-world performance improvement on this car. But until then, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. New videos every week.